Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a closer look at the SCT Livewire TS Tuner for all 1996 to 2014 Mustangs and 2015 to 2017 GT and EcoBoost Mustangs. This device right here comes with pre-configured tunes from SCT loaded on them. It has a 4-inch full-color touchscreen display. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, which means that it'll auto-update your firmware, so you no longer have to plug into your PC for your firmware updates. It has a pretty cool performance calculator in it too, which we'll go over more in a second. This is going to be a good option for you if you just want a general tune as opposed to a more custom preloaded tune. It's also a good option if you just need a device to take with you to a custom dyno tune. It costs about $600, and it's very easy to get one of the SCT preloaded tunes loaded onto your car, and I'll show you how to do that now. Alright guys, so the first thing you'll do is you'll take your device, you'll take your wire that it comes with, you're going to plug this end into the back of the device here. Your other end is going to plug right into your OBD2 port down here. So we plug in, our device will turn on. Right away, right off the bat, without even turning this device on, you guys can see that there is a pretty big difference between this device and your standard X4 device that we're all used to seeing. Some of the main differences between this device and the X4 are this has a 4-inch full color screen. It has ambient lighting on it, which means that it will auto dim for you depending on how bright the lights are outside. This thing will go into a sleep mode automatically if you're not using it. It has an automatic on and off feature. There's some other new features in here like performance tests that actually uses information from the ECU to tell you about your 0 to 60, projected quarter-mile time, and even braking performance. I'll go into that and show you guys that in a minute. You also have some of the other features that you're used to seeing. You have built-in Wi-Fi with this for easy updating. This thing will data log. It'll read and clear your trouble codes as well. This also has an option to tap into your rear camera as well, so that is a little bit different. So you have all of those really good old features that you're used to seeing, but you also have some of those newer features too that make this just a little bit easier to use, also easier on the eyes too. You can show gauges and data logging even with an X4, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like on the Livewire here because this is full touchscreen. You aren't using any buttons other than what's on the screen right here. So like you normally have, you can get into your gauges and your data logging. It's just going to give you some directions here. I'll work past that. We can change any of these gauges. So you can change your layout, pick from any of these screens. So say we would like a layout like this instead, the layout then turns to this. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but there are little buttons down here on the bottom. So if we ever want to go back, we just hit that little button on the left. We can change our layout again. We can start recording our data log if we would like. We can exit this, we can go into a configuration. That's just showing you guys the gauges and the data logging that you normally have. Just looks a little bit different, a little bit better on this device actually in my opinion. So now we're going to go back out. We're actually going to take a look at some of the performance test options. Like I said, you have a 0 to 60, a quarter mile, you can test your braking. There's obviously a lot that goes into this, so if you want to check out the performance test, that's something that you guys can do once you pick up the device. So we're going to back out of that for now, and what we are going to do is show you how to get the pre-configured SCT tune downloaded onto your car. Alright, so you select Program Vehicle. Going to hit Continue. Okay, so we are going to select our preloaded tunes. I will say that you do need Wi-Fi access in order to do this, so we're going to hit Continue. Alright, so it found our Wi-Fi and now we're in the process of downloading the vehicle files. Alright, so we're just going to double check over this information here before we approve anything. Speed limiter's off. Rev limiter's at 7,000 RPM. Okay, so we're going to hit Approve. Continue. Alright, and that's all it's going to take to download the tune to your vehicle. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind that you can always check this tuner out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.